Good morning, everybody. My name is Fred Livai, VP of Sales at Improve My Score. And in this video, what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk to you guys, and I wanted to explain some things. And I'm going to call the company out. And the reason why I'm going to call them out is because there's a lot of false information going around, and I don't like the information that's been given. The company is FES. If you guys don't know, FES is a multi-level marketing company that does credit repair, and they offer other services with their monthly fee. And I actually had a rep contact me in regards to trying to recruit me. So I started asking questions, just to try to get a feel for the company and exactly how it works. So I started asking questions. He tried to put me on a three-way call. I shut that down real quick. And the reason why I wanted to shut it down is because I wanted to see exactly what the company, what the reps were doing with people that when they're trying to bring them on board for credit repair. And basically what I saw is they give out a lot of false information. They call themselves credit agents. Now, they're not really credit agents. They're salespeople for credit repair that's outsourced to a different company. So what they are is they're a marketing company, and they deal with a different company who goes ahead and does the credit repair for them. The credit repair company is a nonprofit. They operate as a nonprofit, so that's how they're able to skirt CROA, Credit Repair Organizations Act. This particular agent tried to say that they were able to get certain types of results. That's a violation of CROA. Even though they're nonprofit, they should still tell the truth. However, they don't. I asked them, what type of results would I be able to see if I were to join your company for some credit repair services? And they said typically within about 3 months, 90 days, we're able to get a majority of the items off of your credit report. Now, I've seen from clients in the past and future and present that I deal with, I've seen the letters and the caliber of letters that this company sends out. And to say these letters are a joke is an understatement. They mention a couple of laws and basically say that every single account is not mine. When I saw the letters, I was kind of shocked. I was amazed. I was like, how the heck are they getting away with these types of letters? The account isn't mine. Well, first off, if the account belongs to you, it belongs to you. There's no getting around it. If it's yours, it's yours. There's other ways to go about disputing the items that are listed on your credit report. There's no reason to lie. All you have to do is tell them the truth. I'm not aware of any account that I've ever had that had X's in the account number. That's pretty much every single account either has an X or an asterisk, depending on where you're getting the credit report from. So this is very important information, you guys. I'm not really here to bash on FES. I just don't like the information that they give. It's misleading. It's false. And, if that's the way they want to do business, fine. That's all fine and dandy. But, you guys are giving a bad name to the credit repair industry. I get so many clients coming over from companies like FES, companies like Lexington Law, and, Lexington Law they have a better type of letter. However, they're only sending a couple items disputed per month. And I have clients that have been with Lexington Law for years, 2-3 years, and they're still going through the disputing process. I mean, there's no way in the world that credit repair should take that long. I mean, they're getting their results probably because the accounts are just falling off. It's been so long that you've been with them that the accounts are just falling off. So it's not really credit repair. It's just, let me see how long I can keep you on the books, and so we can make our company profitable. But in the long run, you know, the one who's suffering is you as their client. So with that being said, you know, I want to go ahead and talk about my company and exactly what it is that we do. My company, again, is Improve My Score. I'm the VP of Sales here. And basically what happens when you come with our company, we start off with a credit analysis. We go over the credit report to see exactly what's on there. We go ahead and put a report together for you and provide that report to you. So that way you can have an idea of where you currently stand. We provide this report monthly if needed. Usually when we see an increase or decrease, we like to provide a new one, just so you can see the differences between when you started and where you are today at that time of that review. Services on average take 4 to 6 months, and that's, like I said, it's an average. Sometimes it's shorter, sometimes it's longer. So, you know, that's something to be aware of. We don't want to give any type of false expectations. There is credit monitoring service that is mandatory if you deal with our company. And the reason being is we need to see exactly what's going on with your credit at all times. We need to see updates. We want to see all the information that happens, so that way we have a fighting chance of getting these results for you. Because at the end of the day, we're all looking for results. Our goal is to get you to your goal, whether that's to buy a house, buy a car, get credit cards, or some type of loan. That's our goal, is to help you get there, and get there with the best chances of having the best rates. So after the credit analysis, we go ahead and send out the first round of disputes. Usually what we like to do is we like to go ahead and send out a first round of disputes to go ahead and take out, get all the personal information that's not current. We want to remove that. We do that for a couple of reasons, but the main reason being is if we're able to get that information deleted, a lot of times what happens is any account associated with that address or phone number or job, if that information gets deleted, the account in turn will get deleted. So, you know, we're knocking out 2 birds with 1 stone, and we haven't even sent out an actual first round of disputes. This is just to get the negative information that is outdated. So outdated information is not current, so we don't want it on there. It's not accurate. So we want to get that information removed. Once we get that information back from the bureaus, what we do is we go ahead and update your file, and then we go ahead and get started with the real credit repair, and we start sending out rounds of disputes. They start off simple, and as they progress, they get more and more aggressive. And typically, like I say, 4 to 6 months later, we have gotten pretty much everything that we're able to get removed. We're pretty much gotten all of that off. You know, whether the information is inaccurate, unverifiable, or reporting past the statutes. We like to ask for Metro 2 compliance checks to make sure that the requirements are being met. So this is something that not everybody does as a credit repair organization, and it's something that should be talked about because it's very important. So that's another thing that we do. We like to go above and beyond. Now, also another thing that we're going to be implementing, we haven't started it yet. We're in talks. I'm in talks with my board, and basically what it is we want to go ahead and offer additional tools to you guys. And the first being is a maintenance tool to help you guys get on a path to paying your bills the proper way. Either if it's to save money or get something paid as quickly as possible. We have a software that can help you do that. And with that software, it's going to help you keep your finances in order, keep your finances in check, show you how to pay your bills the proper way. So if your goal is to purchase a home and you need to be under a certain percentage for your debt to income ratio, this tool will actually show you how to do that. If you're looking at trying to save money, this tool will be able to show you how to do that. So we have a lot of things in the works that we're doing because we want to help benefit our clients as much as possible. So this is a maintenance program. There is a cost for this maintenance program, and the maintenance program does run, this is a promotional offer for the first 50 people who want to take advantage. It's $4.99 per month. So $4.99 per month, you'll be able to put all your information in and keep on top of your finances. So this is very, very, very important. It's a must-have, even if you've gone through the program and you're looking at trying to keep afloat with your finances and make sure everything is still current. This is something that you want to take advantage of. Like I said, it's for the first 50 people who get signed up. So all you have to do is reach out to me. You can comment below with some contact information, whether it's an email address or whatever, phone number. I can give you a call or email you. You can give us a call, and we can go ahead and walk you through how that works. We can go ahead and get you set up, get you signed up. If you've gone through our program, because a lot of times people go through our program, complete the program, and once they complete the program, what happens is sometimes life happens, life gets in the way, and something might happen where they don't have, they miss a bill or something. They get a late payment, they get a new collection pop up, maybe something was reinserted. So what we're going to be doing as well is we're going to be offering a program to go ahead and take care of those issues for you. Now, like I said, we're in talks, so I'm not going to throw out any type of numbers in regards to this, but this is going to be there's going to be a maintenance fee for this. It's not going to be the full monthly payments that you were making before. Again, we do require to have credit monitoring in order to sign up for this program. So that way, if something happens, we can go ahead and try to tackle it before it gets worse. So if this is something that interests you guys, if you guys find the information that's been given here today, if you find it valuable, I definitely request that you like the video, share the video with anybody you might feel is interested. Heck, throw it on your social media, and let's get the word out there, because credit is so important. It's not taught in schools, and it's real heartbreaking to me because I have such a passion for helping people in this arena. I want to get you guys into a place. I want to get you guys into a place where you can, you guys can just take advantage of having good credit. Getting the best rates, getting qualified for a car with no down payment. So again, if you guys want to contact me, give me a call toll free at 1-800-972-3970, or send an email to info@approvemyscore.com. So, in the subject line, put credit repair, maintenance program, and then just break it down in the email. We will get back with you and answer any questions you might have, so we can help you make the educated decision. So again, I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch the video. My name is Fred Livai, VP of Sales here at Approve My Score, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Have a good day.